Hello my friends, Kate here. Today I will show you how to crochet moss stitch, which is also known as linen stitch, granite stitch or woven stitch. It has many names, but it's all the same stitch. It's one of the easiest and great for beginners because it's a one row repeat and creates a lovely reversible structure. On my website you will find a written pattern for this stitch, a diagram, as well as the two colorways you see here. The links are in the description box below. For this tutorial I used DMC cotton yarn with a 2.5mm crochet hook, but you can use any yarn with a corresponding hook. I will use many colors for this stitch and I encourage you to use at least 2. To start you need to make a slip knot and a foundation chain of any even number of stitches. I chose 16. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell button to never miss a video. Now insert your hook in the 4th stitch counting from the hook and work a single crochet there. Now make 1 chain stitch, skip 1 stitch and make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. This is your repeatable module. 1 chain stitch, skip 1, 1 single crochet. It's all you need to remember. Continue like that until the end of the row. As you can see, my last stitch is 1 single crochet. Now make 2 chain stitches and turn the work over. From now on you'll be working in these chain spaces in between the single crochets. Make 1 single crochet there and then 1 chain stitch. Continue working single crochets in these spaces and making 1 chain stitch in between. Your last stitch will be a single crochet and you should work it in the space on the left from your last single crochet you have in the row below. If you want to change colors, stop before finishing the last stitch of the row, that is when you have 2 loops on your hook. Take another color of yarn and keep it with your fingers behind your work. Now yarn over and use it as a working yarn to finish the stitch. Continue like in the row before, so make 2 chain stitches and work 1 single crochet, 1 chain stitch in each chain space. As you can see, this stitch looks great if you change the colors every row. That's all. Have fun with this stitch and experiment with colors. If you like my color combinations, you will find them both listed on my website, along with a written pattern and a diagram for moss stitch. You can also take a look at the article in which I've gathered the best moss stitch projects by the top crocheters. All the links are in the description box below. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or would like to see more, please leave suggestions and feedback down below. Thanks and have a creative day!